Hi, in this video I'm going to show you 3 automations that can earn you money today. In this video I'm going to be using ActiveCampaign. However, you can use any email service provider who allows you to track and allows you to use automations. All you simply do to start with is to make sure you've installed your tracking code, just like doing a Facebook pixel, and also you've whitelisted your URLs. This first automation is really simple and it's designed to do one thing. If one of your subscribers goes to your sales page, either from an email that you sent out or from a Facebook post you made or from an article or from Instagram or wherever, if they visit your sales page, this checks if they've purchased or not. If they have purchased, nothing else happens. It just ends the automation. But if they haven't purchased, what happens is the first thing we do is we add a do not disturb tag. This is simply so that if you have an email scheduled to go out sometime today, they're not going to get it. We're going to focus on trying to make the sale today, and then tomorrow they can go back into the normal schedule. So do not disturb. We're going to wait for 5 minutes. So 5 minutes after they've landed on the page, we're going to send an email, which is the offer email. Gives them lots of information and a pitch as to why they should buy. Bear in mind, this is fresh in their mind. They've been to the sales page, they're probably considering buying, and they haven't purchased. If at any time they purchase, this is ended. So if between the time of them landing on your page and you sending an email, they buy, this goal will cancel that and nothing will happen. We're then going to wait for 1 day, then we're going to take away the tag, do not disturb. That's it, and then we end the automation. This is a simple email to send a bit more information at the time when somebody is thinking about buying. The second automation is a little bit more intense, let's put it that way. So if someone lands on your sales page, we're going to wait for 10 minutes. Then once again, we're going to check, have they purchased? If they have purchased, great, we're not going to do anything. Then we're going to wait for 4 hours. And after 4 hours, we're going to add them to a Facebook custom audience. Now, what happens is that Facebook custom audience is constantly running retargeting ads. So they'll start to get retargeting ads for your product. We then add a do not disturb tag, and then at the best time for them, which is predictive send, is a time they normally open their emails. Just before that, we're going to send out an email, which is talking about the product that they've looked at, some tips, etc. Then we're going to wait for 1 day, and we're going to check if they have purchased the product. If they have, great, we're going to remove do not disturb and end the automation. If they haven't yet bought, we're going to send another follow-up. And in this one, we're going to give them an offer. So we're going to add a bonus or give them a coupon code or something else. Just see if we can nudge them across the line to purchase. Then after that, we end do not disturb and we end the automation. They will still get retargeting until they purchase. So for the next 7 days, they will be seeing ads on Facebook. Now, finally, right, so this automation is a little bit different. This is so we can gauge how interested people are in our product. The basis of this is how many times have people visited a sales page. So if someone's visited your sales page, let's say 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, they're really interested. Okay, so if you're going to do a promotion and you want to make a few sales over the weekend, you could create an offer just for people with the tag very interested. Send it out to them, and you could make some sales from that. You should actually make some sales if they're interested. If you're doing a special offer, send it to these people first. How we do this is really simple. We have 2 conditions here. We have, has anybody been to the website 6 to 15 times and over 16 times? Translated, that means anybody who's been to our website more than 5 times. If they've been to our website less than 6 times, so 5 times or less, they go down a no path. Have they visited the site 2 times? No, we're just going to end it. If they've only been there 2 times, we're going to end it. So here we've got people who have been 2 to 5 times. That means that anybody who's been there 1 time will be a no, and we just end the automation. We're not interested in people who have just been to our sales page once. But people who have been there 2 to 5 times, so 2, 3, 4, and 5 times, we're going to tag them with interested. Okay, so then you can have another automation that when someone gets a tag interested, you send them a series of emails. But what happens if they've been there more than 5 times? Well, what happens is they come down this path. And what we do is we add the tag very interested. So you've been to your website or your landing page or your sales page 8 times. Well, they're definitely interested. So we give them the tag very interested. And we remove the interested tag. So now, when you go to do an email, if you've got an offer, as I said, you want to do an offer today, and you only want to target people who are likely to buy with 20% off, 30% off, what you would do is you would target anybody with a very interested tag. So the only people who get the email was people with very interested. And that's how you find out who your really interested people are, so you can send them emails. Hope you enjoyed that. Down below, you'll see a few links to these automations. Down below, you'll find links to these automations. Please feel free to take them and to use them on your accounts. I'll also provide a link to our free community where we've got training videos, and we've got a community where you can come and join us and talk to us and ask questions. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Bye.